Okay, so some exciting news today. We are about to upgrade old Harley. She's going in for a huge makeover. Probably something that you guys aren't going to expect. There's what we're dealing with right now. So let's take her in and make her new again. Okay, so yeah, that turned into a whole different truck. From a 2015 F-150 XLT to a 2022 F-350 Lariat with the Tremor package. That is one good looking truck. So I had to turn off the sound here because of copyright infringements. I had the music playing in the background. This is basically just me going through the infotainment center, the camera system, learning how to do everything right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.